Model, 69 Ford Transit Custom 320 Limited ECOBLUE Automatic Factory Crew Cab None Runner Wet Belt has snapped no VAT. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 180567. MOT, 1st of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 ECOBLUE 130 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner timing, wet belt has snapped. It has a brand new gearbox from Ford, but the wet belt went 1 month later weary. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, alloy wheels, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, start-stop, tow bar. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear.